subscribe and help the channel get to 100K. Welcome to all my fans onto TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, AS 0. I'm joined by none other than Bow Jehovah.
Sibo.
Yeah.
Awusethi makhaya.
Ngiyalinganga igama lakho. Ngiyalinganga igama lakho.
Ngiyakubona ukuthi uyalinqoya nje. Skippani.
Hayi fresh.
Ngimnandi nje. Yazi bathini? Bathi koko.
Yeah.
Vula umnyango singene.
Yeah.
We are Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
Sesikokotile manje. Ipiano liyakhala. Ngisho babhekile emakhaya khona manje.
Ku-CAF.
Yeah, ku-CAF.
Yes.
Ukuthi sibakhombise ukuthi siyenzani.
Yes.
Masi Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Ngicela ngokuthi congratulations to amabhokobhoko for winning to lifting the cup again.
Yes.
Ngicongratulate Mfukeng for the best behavior nayo for the year.
Yes.
Award le winile. And then ngibonge no Sniper, the IFG. Congratulations to them. You must keep on doing the good work.
Yes.
Mangiza ku games Sibo.
Yeah.
Sundowns ifile.
Yeah.
Sundowns ifile.
Dead.
Sundowns ifile. Something is wrong, man.
6 feet under.
Yeah, like abantu fanele bakhuluma iqiniso.
Likhiphe.
Akuna next la.
Keep it very over.
Sundowns is going down. It's going down like kancane iyawa siyabona ukuthi kahle there was something special nge that boy bathu Rulani. Yeah, so now they are missing Rulani. And then uManqoba Mncidi I think is not fit to coach Mamelodi Sundowns.
It's too big for him.
Yeah, it's too big for him. I think neka right now we assistant coach.
Yeah.
Because of angiboni into mina yenza yini.
Yes.
Change squad kaningi. Thatha umndawo umbeka ngaphandle even though athi umndawo ba cost game Saturday. But as a coach man, fanele ube nenhliziyo. Ngisho uye fanele ukuthi ama players lawa abone oba motivate. Akufanele ukuthi maybe umuntu maka lose game yana kayi1 so phela inhliziyo so umbeka ngaphandle. Yeah.
Utshele ne media.
Yeah, what's that?
Utshele ne media.
What's that?
Utshele ne media.
Uyangithola. And then Steve Kompela is a dictionary teacher. Like nomuntu lo fanele ukuthi ayifundisa abantu English. Khuluma English yenye singayizwisisi ngisho ukuthi nalama players laba la abamzwisisi nakakhuluma nabo
uyabashaya.
Yeah, so fanele ukuthi aye UJ ayifundisa isilungu le. I think it's a dictionary translator that guy. Fanele ubhale English afundisa English ayekela ibhola because of beka right ku Golden Arrows. Sundowns is too bigger than him.
He's a translator like
Steve Kompela fanele ukuthi yabona dictionary kube asichazele ukuthi amagama lawa athini asho ukuthini
like translator le yaka Nabi
like
ask
like something like that uyabona uSteve noNabi same WhatsApp group
easy
ukuthi uNabi bangakhuluma uSteve Kompela fanele ukuthi amchazele ukuthi bafundisane isilungu bakhulumisane ngesilungu like bakhombane ukuthi uyangithola he's not fit for a football.
It's too big this team.
It's too big for him.
Yeah.
Sundowns mina yangimangaza inama player right khona manje ngezwe abakhuluma ngokuthi fatigue the players were playing wara
ubazwi
but angizwisisi because of if winner iligi guy 7
yes
uthatha ama cup and everything fanele expect ukuthi uzowe kuma Champions League fanele ukuthi expect ukuthi udlala ama game
more games
so manje why khona manje mafuna ukuthi badlala ama game fanele basitshela ngama fatigue
why complain
why complain khona manje dewe kwenza ngala ngakhona bafuna ukutshela ngefatigue even our players nebakhona mosikhona manje kule nto le ku squad so manje why khona manje fanele ukuthi bakhulume ukuthi njani so nabadliwa bayadliwa and then they have to be very careful because of nale league lebakhuluma ngathi bathi sibambi umbrella thina sibambi umbrella my guy
never
sihleli phezulu sihleli yabona and then in a CAF there's a possibility khona manje siya leader we are not winning but we are leading hopefully so maybe sizowina and then sizelana besingazelanga lana ukuzominya we were here to analyze the game because of angisho nathi we have the right to be here because of siyadlala ku CAF so bezo analyze azobona ukuthi ubani adlala kahle ubani ukuthi maybe angasipha i-threat but so far angiboni next mina la team lawo la kadlala la i2 lana akuna next lana
ne Sundowns
Sundowns ifile Sithibo man. I-Sundowns ifile Titan buried. Umuntu ozothusa i-Sundowns angazi ukuthi maybe zabe ukuthi aphuma kuphi. Yangithola.
Yeah.
And then uRivero bakhuluma ngayo Ribero Tito. Ribero noma ngeza. I-Sundowns ifile baba. I-Sundowns ifile. Fanele uvume ukuthi i-Sundowns ifile. Akusana abantu laphana. And then you know what they did? Badlise lento leyo ukuthi bayodlala lama Legends Cup lawa angazwisiseki. Bathatha ama player bayodlala i-Legends Cup. Bathatha le bhadi lelana, bahamba nalo. Elekhosi. Bashaywa magezi namuhla badroyile. It's a big team Sundowns mara ngizwisisa ukuthi wafanele uyadlala ama cup ukuthi angazwisiseki.
Legends Cup.
Look at today what is happening.
Ejo. They're throwing in care. Yes.
It's the first game.
Yes.
Sundowns ifile. Ejo, Sundowns ishwile. Yawubona. Awusana silo man. Sundowns kuseligama nje kuphela Sundowns akusana next. Boss wakalishwile.
Ucela story.
Inkutolo likering. Lishwile.
Okay, what?
And then abantu I'm surprised uri bathu ba makala ro. I'm surprised uri bathu ba makala why Magezi win cup. How can you be surprised, my brother? If you beat the cup specialist, it's obvious that you are going to go all the way to the final and take the cup. It's Sundowns, you know what? It's Sundowns is like those learners abane school let's get sang in school. Kuna labana during the year. Never look at izandla maybe umem nakakhuluma question mem bazenza ngathi bayazi kakhulu. Yabona ba planning ama assignment like bayenza ama assignment wenzele ekhaya ukhona ukukopisa ukugugule wenzeni. Man, when it comes to the final, only one at the skin, Zabashaya. It's Sundowns. MTN 8, the final is Bashayile.
Yes.
But in net thing is Bashaya.
Yes.
Makezi Bashayile.
Yes.
So nina ntubenga ma assignment. Niyagijima mara masenifika ku final inakhuleka.
Wabulela
boss wami. Lishwile.
Wabulela. Very careful.
Kai akubonela ka very careful. Ke ka the reality that is happening now. Steve Kompela is an English teacher. Okay. Tshwantsele motseya I don't teach abana English.
Yeah, right.
Okay. What about Kev?
Why are we like Kev ubulela ka Magezi?
No, I'm talking about.
I'm
analyzing the situation, my guy, for the people who at home who want to see this interview.
The situation you are analyzing,
my brother, let me preach.
Don't preach the wrong things, my brother.
That is the truth. That is the truth. Don't say
in my life,
in your life,
azanga kanano ke tlo argue le Pirate.
No problem. Today re tlo argue.
Ka jeko no. Nna le Pirate kwa re tla ngapa.
Ana thata boss wa.
Ke show Masandawana ba izing Pirate. Ba makaletse deep ra.
Wa bia ba makaletse.
Ke show ma Pirate ba leng gore ba itore deep ra. Wa pheta.
Ke bao boss. Bao.
Ke ra bona ba. A ke nna ke beta yellow. Mara no.
Mara beta black.
So now, unsafe. Can you save?
Let's come off
no,
Talk to me.
Sundowns rana race yona mo Kev. Rana race ya yona mo Kev. And then a Pirate rana yona lona ile one. So now
arna right tsa o bolela ka analyze game.
No,
team.
Wait that thing. Ama wona no wait that thing.
Kaingi.
Wa bolela ka Magezi re bolela ka Kev.
No, but
you so
analyze Sundowns. It's home, my brother. Megero wa bolela. defect.
Ambusha it means uri ntwana bolela ke moya. Utlele no bolela moya.
Defect.
Ke re utlele remoke. Ema arbolela.
I don't need for you to talk.
Arbolela effect. Arbolela effect ya no.
Sundowns ishwele, it's a fact.
Ema bill ke re arbolela.
Sundowns ishwele, it's a fact. Ore ngwana ro dumela. Why uri uhana?
Pirate ile ka speed sa paraffin.
No, we know. Right or Pirate is pizza paraffin. But I know that you do.
Tibo, puma ke bala bantaba.
Fact go Sundowns usually give fact.
Man of the match.
Why We'll meet. Yeah. When I no go for homework, Sundowns ishwele my brother. Yeah.
No, man of the match.
Because they are good. Man of the match. Alende for me. Yeah, uzami look baphutha labafana be Sundowns. Nale mpara le bayithengile le what 6 million after sales. My brother.
Well, I'm not.
Mara ule Sundowns ke re mna lona ra bole. I think who sells. Tibo, I think who sells akana msebenzi for mina. I think it's a scam that one, my brother.
After sales is a scam.
After sales is a scam. Fanele bamthathe avele muva.
Online booking.
60 young told. So it's a buy one get one free for me at that time. So Peter Shalulu was supposed to start the game. They were supposed to start the game. Young told maybe based on a different score. Yeah, I'm talking about Sundowns today's game. Today's game.
And then never said malo.
Some people are malo, but we're not going to
I never rested player.
Peace. Thank you.
Sundowns. My boss.